In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Telegram to your N8N so that whenever you send a message in Telegram, that message goes straight to your N8N and you can run any workflow and vice versa. So any workflow that happens, any data can also be pushed out to Telegram. So let's get right into the tutorial. All right, so real quick, just to show you guys how this works, I have my bot here with my Telegram and I could write, for example, who is Elon Musk, and we will send that off in the Telegram. And as you can see, it started the workflow, goes through a ChatGPT model, and then also sends the message back. And then here we have the output. Elon Musk is a billionaire entrepreneur and yada yada. So basically here we have the input that goes into N8N and then the output as well after an N8N workflow. And I'll show you guys exactly how to set this up the easiest way. So what you want to do first is go to Telegram and find BotFather. This is where you can create bots, and this is necessary to connect to N8N. And then all we're going to do is run the command /new bot. And then once you run that, it's basically going to ask you what you want to call the bot. So let's just say we call it connecting N8N to Telegram, for example. And then it's going to say you need to create a username as well. And all you do is copy and paste and then just put _bot, for example. And once you run this command, it's going to give you an access token. You want to save that access token and keep it private. That's what you use to connect it to N8N. So I'm just going to create the bot here real quick, grab the access token off camera, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. All right, so I grabbed the access token and I'm in the bot right now. So now let's go straight back to N8N here. And what you would want to do is you would add a node, and you're going to add a Telegram node. And then it's going to be a trigger, and we'll do on message. So what you want to do here for the on message is you want to create a connection to your Telegram bot. So all you're going to do is click create new credential and paste in the access token straight into there and just click save. And once that is done, your connection is set. Quick, easy, and simple. Now all you're going to do to test it is you're going to click execute step here, and now it's waiting for a message. So if I write who is Elon Musk, you'll see, boom, just like that, it got the message and it came in as a text right here, who is Elon Musk. So now that we get the text coming in, I'll show you guys how to set up the rest of the flow. If you want to do this simple flow, you're just going to add an OpenAI module here. And what we want to do is we want to message a model, and then all you're going to do is obviously you need to connect with your OpenAI account. And then we'll just use 4.1 here just to make things quick and simple. And then we could do a quick prompt, something like this that I used here. It's basically just answer the question in under 2 paragraphs and then the variable for the question. And I'll kind of show you guys here what that means. So this is just a variable that's coming in from this text. So all you would do is click on JSON and you drag and drop this text into here. And then whatever you wrote on Telegram will actually show up in the prompt right here. So that's all I did. It's just a little piece of JSON code there that helps it variabilize. So whatever you write in Telegram, you'll be able to put into here automatically. So then that's going to run when you run this whole flow again. And then you want to send the message again. So I'm going to show you guys this so that now you know not only how to send messages, but also how to receive into Telegram in case you want to get the answer here. So all we're going to do is we're going to add another Telegram node. And this node is going to be a send a message node. So if I can find that, send a text message. And then here it asks for your chat ID. You should already be connected to your Telegram account that you just did the connection with. And for the chat ID, what you want to do is go to your first node where you ran it, and you're going to see under chat here, we have an ID. So all you're going to do is grab and drag and drop that. And then for text, all you want is the output of the last module. So we're actually going to have to run it here real quick just to get an actual message. So for now, I'm just going to write text here just so that we don't have an error. And then we're going to click execute workflow. and I'm gonna write, who is Elon Musk? It's gonna run the whole flow, as you can see, and then send an output. Now, what we're gonna have to change here is that I needed to run it to actually get the output. So instead of text here, we're gonna drag and drop the content just like that, and we're gonna delete the text. So now whatever output we get is going to be sent as a text message into Telegram. So let me show you guys one more time how it looks when I run it. See, so we got back the message text because that's what we put in earlier. But now if I click execute workflow here and then I write, who is Elon Musk? Now you're going to see that it runs the workflow and we get the answer right here, just like the demo. So if you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to connect to N8N with Telegram, then please leave a like and subscribe. And also, if you want more intense workflows to optimize your business, or you even want to learn about dropshipping, I actually have a school in the description below, so it's completely free. You can join that and check that out as well. But other than that, on to the next one.